Hey guys, I'm Tony and welcome to another plumbing video on homeowner repair. And in this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your toilet starts to overflow and you're in panic mode because the water is starting to almost come up and out of the toilet, and it's going to if you don't figure out how to shut it off. Now we hear feedback from our viewers all the time, horror stories with plumbing in general, and I've heard a few times, hey, I had this problem with my toilet, for whatever reason the water started running and I couldn't shut it off. And I didn't know how to shut it off, didn't know what to do. So this is what this video is for. I'll give you a few ideas on how to quickly shut the water off so that it doesn't come up and out of the toilet and ruin your house and your floor. But before I roll into this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of great content coming out. It's all DIY stuff, and it's geared towards homeowners and things you own in general. So one thing that could happen is if you flush the toilet and something goes down the toilet and it gets clogged up inside, all of a sudden the water could start filling up the bowl and coming up the bowl, and it's almost ready to come out, so you're in panic mode. So the first thing you want to do is go down here, and on your toilet there should be like a shutoff valve. Just turn it like that, it'll automatically shut the water off, and the water will stop feeding the bowl of the toilet. So if this doesn't work, I can show you a couple of other things to do. So if that isn't there, another thing you can do is you should have a shut-off valve in the plumbing, like under the bathroom. So that, my toilet happens to be on the first floor, so there's a shut-off valve right here. Get to know your house a little bit and locate the shut-off valves. And if for some reason you don't have a shut-off valve on your toilet like I do, you should, almost everyone does. Or if it's frozen, you can't turn it, look for the shut-off valve and the plumbing under it that feeds the toilet. Shut it off. Okay, so you can't shut it off by the toilet. Shut-off valve's frozen, so as a last resort, you might want to shut it off by the main feed on the house. So if for some reason you still can't, shut the water off, go in your toilet, it's running and running and running, go to the main feed of the house, and there should be a shut-off valve for the main feed. And you can turn it, and that'll shut the water off going into the house. It'll shut the whole house down as far as water goes, and that'll stop the water from coming in. So I hope this helps you out, or just keep it in the back of your mind. So if it's something that happens in the future, get to know your house a little bit. Get to know where the shut-offs are in the plumbing, how you can shut things down easily if something were to go wrong as far as water or something like that. And hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.